What headlights should you use and when? You have three main headlights. You have your main beam, your dipped, and your fog lights. So your main beam headlights, they are the brightest, they point upwards and outwards. They allow you to see the greatest distance. However, they can dazzle other drivers, so it's only recommended to use them when there's no one else in front of you. You should not use your main beam headlights in fog, as it can reflect back from the fog and dazzle you. Dipped headlights. This is what's usually used in most scenarios. They're basically like main beam, except they point downwards onto the road as opposed to upwards and outwards. They do not dazzle other drivers as a result. However, they are less bright than main beam headlights, so you may not be able to see as far. Then finally, you got your fog lights. Your fog lights are good because they do not reflect off the fog, of course, right? You can have your front fog lights over here where the lines are dipped down, and your rear fog lights. The horizontal lines are your rear fog lights. Kind of hard to distinguish between the two. You just gotta be able to recognize it and remember it. Some downsides are they can dazzle other drivers. They are very, very bright, so just be aware. And they can often conceal your brake lights, so other drivers may not know when you are braking. Usually, you're not meant to use your fog lights unless the fog is really, really thick. If it's just a bit of fog, a bit of mist, then dipped should usually do the trick. But yeah, those are your headlights. Make sure you know them. Make sure you can recognize them.